ना मैं इसको समझा समझा के थक गई हूँ। इसको रिहैब भेजना ही पड़ेगा।
मम्मा भैया की विल पावर बहुत स्ट्रांग है और इन्होंने मुझे प्रॉमिस किया है ये अब कभी ड्रग्स को हाथ नहीं लगाएंगे।
प्रॉमिस तो ये मुझे भी बहुत दे चुका है। मुझे तो डर लगता है कि कहीं नशे के चक्कर में हम सबको ना बेच खाए।
A very good day to you people. My name is Mohit and guys, today I'm gonna review Boatstone 200 Bluetooth speaker. Boatstone 200 is water resistant and shock proof to suit your active outdoor lifestyle. The body is constructed of durable rubber matte finish which offers all round outdoor protection against dust and water. The buttons at the top include volume rockers, play pause button, and next previous track. You will be surprised by its well balanced, crystal clear sound and robust bass. It produces very clear and crisp sounds. Clarity is the key word. It produces a very decent amount of bass and can go quite loud. That makes this a little beast, which is nice because you have the option to really crank the speaker up if you ever needed. I tested it across various platforms like Sony Live, Hotstar, JioCinema, Amazon Prime Videos, YouTube, Voot, etc. over more than a month, and the results were the same. That is impressive. In all cases, the sounds were very real, very lifelike, very clear, very crisp, loud enough, and had a punchy bass. The Bluetooth 4.1 transmission ensures no loss of audio performance. The portable speaker can be paired with all types of devices that use Bluetooth technology, and you can also connect the speaker with the aux. By aux, I mean the aux cable. It has a 30 feet Bluetooth range and a 3 watt power output. Along with the aux cable, you get a charging cable as well, which is a micro USB to full size USB cable. Both these cables are very well built, only a little bit short. It has a built-in microphone for hands-free calling, online chatting, and volume control. With a single button, you can answer and or refuse the calls. The phone calls I made through the speaker were extremely clear, both for me and for the other party. You may enjoy 10 hours of music at 80% volume, and this is up to 3 times longer than similar sized portable speakers. You may recharge your 1500 mAh battery in just 4 hours using the included micro USB cable, which is, as I said, quite good in quality, only a little short. To know how much of the battery remains, you will find an visual indicator on your phone after it's connected through Bluetooth. That will give you an idea how much juice is. Next, guys, I'm going to explain what the different colors of the LED on the speaker actually mean. If you charge the speaker while it's off, a red LED glows and stops glowing when the charging gets over in about 4 hours. If you charge the speaker while using it, you will see a pinkish purplish LED glow instead. One is able to use these speakers even while they are being charged. When you are connected via Bluetooth and not charging the device, this same LED will turn blue instead. And the same LED turns blinking green when the battery is about to die and the speaker starts to beep every few seconds. That means you need to connect the charger urgently. To establish a Bluetooth connection, first pair it with your phone, your laptop, desktop, tablet, etc. and turn the Bluetooth on both the devices. In about a few seconds, both the devices will be connected via Bluetooth. And this pairing needs to be done just once. So let's conclude. Sure, the speaker is a little heavy and not really an eye candy, not very beautiful, but it's rugged, very much sits in the palm of your hand, hence not too bulky. That makes it very much portable. There is not a single point, I repeat, I can cut for its performance. It's fantabulous. And the fact that the battery can go up to 10 hours makes it a winner in a marathon run. Although the vibrations that the speaker produces is very heavy, they made sure that the base is rubberized and hence anti-skid. Although the MRP is around 3000, you can easily get it around 1000 or 1100 rupees, around that. With 1 year warranty alongside, it's hard to resist. This speaker is complete value for money, and I don't see any reason why you should not go for it. I hope you found this information useful. You have a very good day, guys. Bye bye. Peace.